And we back. Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. Today we are at, I ain't gonna say Harrahs, well, Harrahs. Harrahs Hotel and Casino in Council Bluffs, Iowa. That's right across the bridge from Omaha, Nebraska. We're gonna start off right here in the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's nice and antique, you know. Got the toilet, got the tub. Look like it is. Got the tub and the shower. It's kind of nice to see how I got like the gold. Well, it's not real gold, but you know, it's nice in here. Then we head out. We have the mirror, the selfie mirror before you walk out. You know, make sure you're looking good. Got a little closet space, you know, hang clothes up. Got your iron board and all that if you need to iron, but people don't really iron no more, as you can see. I walk around. Okay, welcome to the room. This time, we got 2 beds. You know, we got a deal on these rooms, so we got the 2 beds. So we got 1 bed for, you know, us to just chill with each other. And then we go our separate ways at the end of the night. So yeah, we're gonna, you know, we got our 2 beds and, you know, we got a flat screen TV, you know, we can watch TV and chill and watch TV. You know, it's always good to have a TV. We got more, you know, space, no drawer space. We got extra clothes we want to put in and all that. And of course, we got a refrigerator. Put stuff in there. It sucks that these hotels don't have microwaves anymore, but it's all good. Got a little table right here if we want to just sit down and have a conversation, eat or what, you know. And I'm gonna bring y'all over here where we have actually a beautiful view. As you can see, we have the field out here where they have concerts at summer. And then you see over there our 2 little buildings that we have. That's Omaha, Nebraska right over there. That's where we're from. Of course, you guys know that. So yeah, this is our room for the night. We're on another one of them FTK staycations. I'm not gonna say what it is. Y'all can just figure it out yourself. So thank y'all for following us, and you know, y'all gonna enjoy the rest of the night with us. And you know, welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. Until next time, you feel?